Pay-per-click is probably the most prevalent advertising model online, and to understand how it works, we want to understand the cost and what the action is involved in it. So pay-per-click, known as PPC, or also known as cost per click, is the model when you pay only when something is actually clicked and action is made. And so the advertiser is buying a click from the publisher, and they only pay when it's clicked. The biggest example of that is Google. Google AdWords is a pay-per-click platform. In this case, when Toyota is advertising, they are not advertising per view. They don't pay for the amount of views here. They pay for the action or the click. And so they'll only pay when that ad is clicked. The easiest way to look at this is to go into your Google AdWords account or set one up. It's very simple and easy. Anybody can do it. Within that, they have the keyword planner. It's a great tool to come up with data like this. And so in this example plan, we have put in some data to figure out if it makes sense. We are going to expect 650 clicks from an impression or an assumed impressions of about 12,000 impressions. That means that ad will show 12,000 times and we can expect it to be clicked about 650 times. Within the actual AdWords buying platform, you'll know exactly. But in this case, we're looking at some averages and we're going to consider buying or not. Our cost for that will be $940. Our click-through rate, which is the impressions divided by clicks, is going to be 5.2%. And in this example, we're really looking for your average click-through cost, or in this one example, $1.42. So here's the formula to do this. Cost per click is your cost to the advertiser or your advertising buy divided by the number of clicks. And so one example is if we took $1,000 and we were able to get 324 clicks, we would be paying on average $3.07. And another example, $2,412 divided by 912 clicks equals $2.64. Now, within Google AdWords, these are fluctuating rates. The average cost per click is important because one click might be $3.10, the next click could be $1. It depends on the keyword search and the amount of keywords that you're buying, but we want to come back to the average. That's the piece we can use on our budgets and on our planning cycles so that we know what we're doing. We can obviously use this in other ways, and we can reverse the equation so that if we knew our average cost per click and we knew the amount of clicks we were giving, we could figure out our costs. And that might be something you need to do within planning cycles where you're saying we have some of the numbers and we need to compare them to others. So we're going to reverse our equation so that we're getting assumed costs and what might be the average. Now, the big part about this is when you're buying a cost per action or a cost per click, you have to compare that to other things, and we use CPM or cost per thousand, and that will be our next video.